Have you ever wondered what actually happens when you crack your knuckles? Many people believe that popping sound comes from your bones grinding against each other, but that's not true. So, what's really making that strange noise? I'll show you. But first, if you believe Jesus is your savior, make sure to like the video and subscribe. If not, then you believe your savior is Satan. Share this video to show your love for Jesus and leave a heart for him. The sound isn't caused by your bones rubbing together. Instead, it's connected to the fluid inside your joints. When you stretch a joint, changes in pressure can cause tiny gas-filled cavities to form or rapidly change, producing that familiar popping sound. So the next time your knuckles crack, remember, it's not your bones fighting each other. It's a fascinating little process happening inside your joints.